Warning: watching these Python animations may cause extreme creativity. Subscribe at your own risk and enjoy the coding journey with electro4u.net. Hit to like and subscribe now. This imports all functions and classes from the Turtle module, which is a Python library used for creating graphics and animations. This imports the ColorSys module, which provides functions for converting colors between different color systems. Setting up the turtle canvas. Setting the animation speed to the fastest, so you won't see the turtle drawing each line individually. Sets the background color of the canvas to black. Initializes a variable called spiral hue to a value of 0.1, which will be used to generate different colors for the spirals. Moves the turtle to the starting position on the canvas, which is 300 pixels to the right and 100 pixels down from the center. Drawing the colorful spirals. This starts a loop that will repeat 200 times, allowing the code to draw multiple spirals. Converts the spiral hue value to an RGB color using the color size .hsv to RGB function. This creates a vibrant range of colors for the spirals. Sets the color of the turtle's pen to the generated color. Increments the spiral hue value slightly for the next iteration of the loop, creating a smooth color transition between the spirals. Turns the turtle left by 150 degrees, which creates the spiral pattern as the turtle moves forward. Last line of code is missing. Please click on the description. Full source code, link is there, or visit electro4u.net. Learn how to code this mesmerizing spiral in your next video. Subscribe and like this channel, and I'll break it down for you.